In the vast universe of knots, the square knot holds a place of honor, versatile, easy to tie, and incredibly reliable. It's a knot that everyone should master. With roots tracing back to ancient civilizations, the square knot has proved its mettle across various fields. Whether it's securing your tent while camping, mooring your boat, or adding a decorative touch to your craft project, the square knot has got you covered. Mastering the square knot means having a reliable tool in your knot-tying arsenal ready to be deployed in countless scenarios. Now, on to the main event, tying the square knot. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step, ensuring you get it right. First off, hold 2 rope ends in each hand. The left is your working end, and the right is your standing end. Cross the working end over the standing end, forming an X. Now bring the working end underneath and through the loop you've created. This is your half knot. Next, cross the working end over the standing end again, mirroring the first step. This time, however, bring the working end under and through the loop from the opposite direction. You've now formed your square knot. The beauty of the square knot lies in its symmetry. Notice how the two halves mirror each other? That's the key. A well-tied square knot should be neat and balanced, with the working ends and standing ends parallel to each other. Tighten your knot by pulling on both the working and standing ends simultaneously. This ensures your knot stays secure. Remember, the square knot isn't designed to bear heavy loads, but it's perfect for bundling items together or fastening a line around an object. And voila, you've just tied a perfectly secure square knot. Practice makes perfect, so don't stop here. Keep practicing until it becomes second nature. Now that you're a square knot expert, we're curious to know, what other knots would you like us to cover in future videos? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for the latest knot tying tutorials. Thank you for joining us on this knot tying journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.